Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Leah, and today I did this Slytherin inspired green fun shimmery look, and it goes with my crazy hair today. So if you want to see how I did this look, please make sure to stay tuned. And before we get started, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel and helps me know what you guys like. And if you really like it, give it a subscribe. I love you forever. All right, let's get started. Yesterday, I went to my favorite place in the world, CVS, because I had a whole bunch of coupons and I saw that there was a few new things that I definitely wanted to try, and a few things that were recommended to me to also try. So I picked up the brand new Wet n Wild liquid catsuit for the eyes. Look at this thing. It's like shimmery and beautiful. It's a shimmer liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this on my eyes today. And then I also picked up their new bronzers. They have a whole line of just like bronze bronzers. Before, I've had their contour kits, so they just came out with the color icon bronzers, and this Ticket to Brazil shade has been kind of used and loved by so many people, so I picked that up to try too. And of course I had a coupon, so I got a couple bucks off, and then I earned some more dollars. So we'll probably see another CVS haul coming up in the near future. Also, I picked up this LA Girl matte eyeliner pen because I needed a good eyeliner pen. I've got liquid eyeliners, but I needed a pen. And then this skinniest, teeniest, tiniest eyebrow pencil from LA Girl as well. It's got a little tiny spoolie on the end, and it's nice and fine on this end, so we'll see how that works in my quest for a really good eyebrow pencil today. Other than that, I'm going to use products you've seen before, so here we go. For foundation today, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Nude Beige, and my most favorite It Cosmetics blurring brush. I really wish I would have picked two of these up when they were on special. I think it was during the holidays. Ulta had this really big thing where it was like a 12 days of Christmas kind of thing, but they had something on special every day. So I kind of mapped it out, but I really wish I would have grabbed a few of these because I really like this brush so much. And the more I clean it, like I clean it as much as I can, and the more I clean it, the more the bristles are going to get all weird. Having some issues with my foundation today. Like right here, it looks like it's breaking up and kind of just sitting on the top of my skin, and then it's not sticking back here. So I wonder, I've been trying some new skincare, and I think it's the beauty oils I've been using. So I think that maybe they haven't, had enough time to sink in. I did just wash my face not too long ago, so I'm wondering if that's what's going on, because I've never had this issue with the Glotion before. I might have to just start moving oils to the evening, although I like the dewiness and the glow that I've got going on right now. Next, I am going to try the new LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I've tried to say that 3 times now and kept saying Slady Shim because I'm used to saying Slim Shady. But look how fine the point is on that. It's pretty. Let me see, there we go. That's nice. So I'm going to draw in with this and we'll see how we go. I really like how little it is. All right. So that's brows on. This is a really good eye pencil or a brow pencil. I really like it. It's really nice and fine, so you can get the kind of hair stroke looks into it, except right here where I missed a bunch. But it's nice because you can kind of just trace the shape of your hair pattern and then just really fill it in from there. And this is a good little spoolie on the end. It's really nice. It just gets right in there. So this is black as brown, so it's a little bit dark for me, but my hair on my ends is fine. I'm growing out my grays, so it's hard for me to pick out things for like my eyebrows because I don't really know what to do with gray roots and 4N ends. Anyway, let's conceal. I'm using the usual ColourPop No Filter Concealer under my eyes and as an eyeshadow base. So today is Friday. Thank the Lord. It's like the weirdest thing. So I work at home, which is good and great, and I love it. But it's so easy to get kind of like caught up in the what day of the week is it. But Friday is always like, hooray, it's Friday, even though, I don't know, it's hard to explain because it's like, yeah, it's Friday, but also like, what does it matter to me that it's Friday? I mean, like, this is my home and I work here. But I think it's more like I get to spend 2 days with my husband and my kid, and just like not have to think about, you know, doing work. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just completely making all of that up. But it's Friday, and hooray, it's Friday. Mike and I are planning on staying in and watching a movie tonight, but we don't know what we're gonna watch yet. So if you guys have any recommendations of something we can rent on the like Xbox, you know, thing where you rent the movies, drop them in the comments below. If it's anything Marvel, we've already seen it. So, but give us a recommendation. Whoa, that looks weird. It looks fine in real life, but it looks weird up there. Yeah, because I feel like we're so out of touch. Like, I don't know what happened to us, but we used to like be super cool and always like know the fun stuff that's coming out, and I feel like we just haven't like watched a good movie in quite a while. So if you have a good recommendation for what we can watch for in the house date night tonight, pop that below. Okay, so I was planning on using the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, but I forgot how surprising the shades are. I just swatched a couple that I was going to use, and they're just completely not the right color. So I'm going to use some of my ColourPop single pans because I really want to use this liquid catsuit eye. I'm going to start with this green shade right here, and it is called Team Captain. It's kind of a cute, fun shade. And I'm going to start with this one because it's the darker color, and I'm going to put it in my crease area and blend it out with the lighter and shimmerier shades. And next I'm going to grab this kind of shimmery olivey lighter color. It's called Sideline, and I'm just going to use the same brush and just blend out a little bit further with that one. Now I'm going to grab a bit of a fluffier brush and go in with this light kind of bone shade called Hear Me Out. Looks like this. Yeah, I'd say it's kind of like, it's a bone. Do they still use that as a descriptor color anymore? When I was in, no, this was a, I grabbed a brush from my dirty brush bucket instead of my clean brush bucket, so that happened. Let's see if we can salvage it. I think it must have had blue on it because now everything just looks really muddy. Nah. Boo, that sucks. Well, I did what I could to salvage it. Not exactly how I thought this would turn out, but it's not so bad. I'm loving this shimmery green shade called Sideline. It is like, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go back in with that little bit of a deeper, the deeper shade, the first one, and just kind of shape in the edges here. All right, the time has come. We are going to dip into the Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Cashmere Love. It's really pretty. Let's see how it looks on. Okay, it's got a nice little paddle doe foot. It's not even a doe foot, it's just a paddle applique. Okay, good job. What? It looks so metallic. Oh my gosh. Good job, Wet and Wild. That is so pretty. Look how shiny. It looks like wet. I thought it would be more glittery, Let me swirl it a little bit. Yeah, I thought it would have a little bit more glitter to it, but I'm not mad at it just being super metallic. Okay, I kind of like built it up. So it's definitely buildable for sure, but it's beautiful. This was, I think, $3.99. I'm definitely gonna go grab as many shades of this as my CVS has because they had a really pretty red one that I was like, oh, I don't know, but now I'm definitely gonna go get it and try it. It's so pretty. All right, so now I'm just gonna pull a little bit down underneath my eyes. All right, and now that this snake eyes, I don't know, snake eyes, camo eyes, Slytherin inspired eyes, I think we just found the name of the video, Slytherin inspired eyes. Okay, I am going to be using Line Art Eye Matte eyeliner from LA Girl in the shade Intense Black and do a, ooh, look how nice and sharp that tip is. For lashes, I'm gonna layer a few mascaras instead of putting on false lashes because all right, that is eyes done. I am having so much fun with this look. I can't believe how pretty that liquid eyeshadow came out. I'll take some photos so it looks a little bit better. Let me actually turn this light down. Maybe that will help. You can see the shimmer. It is so shiny and pretty and I love it so much. But the eyeliner, I'm gonna have to use a little bit more and maybe see if I can get like the ink flowing in it a little bit better. I tried to like get it started, but it felt just kind of dry and draggy, so I couldn't get a super precise black, really dark line like I like. So I'm not sure. I mean, it was inexpensive and for the price point, I think it's fine, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more precise with what the packaging told me that it was going to have. So having said that, we will move on to bronzer, and this is Take Me to Brazil, the new Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. A lot of people are saying that this is something to use instead of Hoola, but here they are right next to each other and you can see that they are definitely not the same. Hoola's got is a lot cooler and ashier, and this is pretty warm and orange. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to use my favorite little powder brush. See how we do. Is anything coming out? I feel like it's very subtle. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, it's nice. It's a lot lighter, I think, than I thought it was going to be based on what I saw on the shelf, but maybe it's like Wet n Wild where you need to kind of scrape down a little bit. Okay, let's try that. It's subtle, but it's pretty. It's fine for my skin for this time of year. Just, you know, enough of a little bit of a kiss. And I actually, just to kind of contour a teeny bit, I am going to take just a little bit of Hoola on this brush and do just a little bit back here and close to the edges. Yeah, I think using those two together looks pretty nice. Okay, and lips I just put on, but it is Verona from Ofra. And now I'm going to take a little bit of this and just kind of pat it around the center area. That looks really shiny and pretty. I love it. I'm not sure if this is safe to ingest, so maybe don't follow my lead and put it on your lips. We'll see if I'm alive tomorrow. But let's move on to a highlight. I'm going to use the old Flexitarian. I love this one. It's nice because it's kind of a cooler shade, so it'll go really well with the snake eyes look. It's so nice. I just love this one. And the thing I love about this formula is like I feel like I use it and I use it and I use it and it's not going down. Like I don't understand how this works. Like how do you run out of this product? How is that a good business model to make stuff that's awesome and lasts forever and then charge so little for it? Like I don't understand. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a big old thumbs up because I will love you forever. Have a super great day and we'll see you at the next video. Bye, 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 bye.